Today's Saturday, which means it's harvest day for our flowers. So we're gonna go down and get some flowers. The turkeys and Aiden are out playing too. So I'm trying to watch him so he doesn't roll down the stairs. So we have a lot of new birds too. These are some of our new gallinas, our new ponedoras, the chickens that will eventually be laying some eggs. There's some really beautiful colors. These are from Finca Brutal. And so anyway, back to the flowers. We go and harvest them on Saturdays so that they're ready for the Sunday farmers market in Rincon. And the main flower that we have in abundance right now is called a Wagneriana Heliconia. So I'll show you what those look like. Come on down. Come on, Aiden. All right, well, so this area right here is almost exclusively planted with this variety of heliconia called Wagneriana. And they only bloom from mid-January until April or so. And so right now they're all coming in. It's just amazing. Every stalk pretty much has a flower on them. You see that? These ones are still pretty young and coming in, but what we are looking for are the ones that have, you know, at least 1 or 2 bracts that are fully open. It's pretty good. Like for instance, this one I'll cut because it's so this takes us a little bit of time to sort through and get them out of the vines and stuff. There's an example of a nice one that's coming out. Then I usually take off these exterior things. It just takes away some of the weight. I leave a couple of them on here where the leaves were once connected. They have a lot of water in them, so it's best to dry them upside down so that these inner flowers don't rot out. There's one, so we'll get a bunch of them.
So another thing we got for the market was this bunch of Monsanto bananas. They are apple flavored and they're wonderful, and this probably weighs a good 80 pounds. It's amazing. Good food.
Here's the flowers we're going to be taking to market. Loaded up and ready to go. Hola!
Where we live, you know, they say we're talking now.
Alright, well, so now we're here at the farmer's market. We've already sold quite a bit of our supply, but still have a lot of flowers. Some bananas. The apple and the ice cream. Alright, here we are at Costa Restaurant in Mayaguez. This is one of the places we like to go after the farmer's market. It's really nice right on the ocean. There's fresh food.
flamingos